Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is part 2. This programming or making, reading the information from EIS part 2. This is for CLK or C240 2006, 2003 to 2009. The first video, if you do not watch the first video, go back and look at it. We were trying to read the same EIS, ignition control module, to generate a key using we were using the click and go, but click and go doesn't work. So what you need to do is to go back and solder wire on those pins. If you see it here, we have some pins. We need to solder wire on it. One pin is here, this one, and the blue one here, and the black one is there. The red one is supposed to be in that place. You solder these wires, you connect it to CarProc, and then from here you connect it to your laptop. How you solder it, I use this Weller. I have two adapter. You can use as many as adapter you want. This one to take some small chips, you heat it up and hold it and it will go out. And the other one, you turn it on and you have your outlet. You can reduce, you can turn it on from here by putting your hand here, like this one is on, that one is off. If you turn this one on, you just push, like this is on now. You push it to, it's gonna be off. And now this one here, you can reduce go back to reduce it, or on to make it more hot. You use this one as skinnier, and then you solder those wire in these places. After you finish, you disconnect them. After you finish here, you need to read the dump of the key. This is the second attempt. The first attempt we try with what they call to read with the click and go. It doesn't work. So now after you put it here, you come back, you put it here, and then what you're gonna do, I'm gonna turn this one on for you to see it correctly. I'm gonna turn it off, and then we start from all over. So you're coming here, this is a CarProc. You double click on it. Sometimes it will tell you that we have update. If you want to update it, you update it. If it's not, close it. This module here, you see this is an update. This system here, I believe it has a lot of functionality. You can read a lot of modules, but sometimes you must buy the license for it. So they have a company. If you go there, you don't have the software, you can go back to the company, and then you download the license. You see how many licenses you have. For example, if I go here on the devices, or on some place that on file, there is a place that you can see what do you have, but you have to have internet license manager. You click here, it will tell you how many license you have. So now I'm gonna go for this Mercedes-Benz. I already bought all the license that enable me to do Mercedes-Benz. You're gonna click here, this is MCU. You're gonna choose Motorola. You see, open Motorola, scroll down to MCU, MC, and then scroll down to the last one, which is HEC12, HEC S12, HEC S12X. Click on it, and then go down to secure, and then click EEPROM. On EEPROM, go to the MC9S12 Echo, not X. Double click on it. It will open the page for you. If you look at the right side, left side here, this is the piece. Now everything you connected, you just click on read. This place will be populated with the reading. You see here, it keeps saying that it read, secure. As soon as it's read, yes, it already read it, and save the file on C user system document TMP 257. That's your file. If you want to save it again on the desktop, you can click on the top left here, and you're going to save it on the desktop. Here I'm going to write down, for example, just leave it like that so we know that this is a file, or you can write down the part number, whatever it is for. So now I'm going to click next, save. I save it already. So now I'm going to close this one. The functionality of reading this module here, by the way, there is more than 5-6 module, but this one here, 2C09 ZGW 290315 04S. So there is like 3 different module. Do not try to get something that if you don't have the same information, that means it could be wrong. So just try to get it the right way. Okay, you see here that the one where you put the other one, where you put the black wire. And when you try to solder them, please solder them slowly. And now part 1 is finished. This is part 1, because we try to read it using the first one. I'm going to turn this one off. This is good. Also, you need something like this if you want to work on electronic, or you need also this one. This one also, it have a heat, you know, like you can use it like with the small solder also. And also what I like about it, it have something to suck the smoke out away, because while you do the soldering, you don't want to inhale the smoke. And also you have the other one, the heat station, that you turn it on and also it works fine. Right now we're done with this one, so I'm gonna leave you guys in this video, and there will be another video, is going to be number 3, to how to generate the key and what tool are you going to use. There is a lot of different companies, they have tools, so you have to choose what is easy for you and what is the best tools that you can use and get tech support with. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video. Thank you.